We have all been there. You walk up to a store in a foreign country, you want to go inside and browse, but you completely freeze up. The fear of having to speak to the shopkeeper keeps you stuck right at the door. To get past that fear, we are going to walk through a virtual store today. You can navigate any shopping trip by following a simple, chronological sequence of phrases that cover every step of the process. The first step happens the moment you walk through the door. To say hello, you say, 你好. Let's say it together. 你好. To ask for help, you add 请问. It means, excuse me. Let's repeat. 请问. Breaking the ice with a simple greeting lowers your anxiety and starts the interaction on a positive note. Now that you're inside, imagine you spot a shirt you really like. The next step in our sequence is finding out what it costs. On our timeline, we have reached the price. To ask how much is this, you say 这个多少钱? Let's break it down. 这个多少钱? Now for a little role play. You ask the price, and the shopkeeper replies with a number that is much higher than you expected. When the price is out of your budget, you can signal that it is too expensive by saying 太贵了. If the price is too high, our timeline branches to a second option. To ask, do you have something cheaper? You say 有便宜一点的吗? Slowly, 有便宜一点的吗? Knowing how to react to the price keeps the conversation moving forward instead of coming to a sudden stop. The shopkeeper understands and shows you a different option that fits your budget perfectly. To show you are interested in this new item, you can say, I like this. 我喜欢这个. Before you buy, you'll want to make sure the item actually fits. Our timeline moves to the fitting room. To ask, can I try this? You say, 我可以试试吗? Let's try that rhythm. 我可以试试吗? Asking to try something on bridges the gap between looking at an item and deciding to buy it. You step out of the fitting room, the fit is perfect, and you are ready to make it yours. To start the purchase, you say, I want this. 我要这个. At the final note of our timeline, the shopkeeper might ask, cash or card? 现金还是刷卡? To pay by card, you only need one word, 刷卡. Let's put it all together. You walk in. 你好，这个多少钱? They give you a high price. 太贵了，有便宜一点的吗? They show you a new shirt. 我喜欢这个，我可以试试吗? It fits. 我要这个. You pay by card. 刷卡. By using these phrases in order, you have successfully navigated a complete transaction from the moment you entered the store to the moment you paid. Let's review. 你好, hello. 这个多少钱? How much is this? 太贵了, too expensive. 我喜欢这个, I like this. And 我要这个, I want this. If you make a mistake with the tones or the words, don't worry. It is a natural part of learning, and shopkeepers will usually understand your meaning from the context of the shopping trip. We want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite thing to buy when you are traveling? Practicing these phrases helps you move past that initial hesitation so you can walk into any store with confidence. See you next time.